Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya M, and I'm back with another wig review. Before we get into it, so you can see what wig I'm reviewing today, don't forget to hit subscribe. And then if you like this video, don't forget to hit like at the end and comment down below what you like about the wig. Also, if you want to follow me on social media, you can do so. The links will be down in the description box. I have a TikTok and an Instagram, so you can follow me there. Okay, so I'm actually going to review a lace frontal wig. It's the first lace frontal that I'm going to review since jumping back on YouTube. And this is by OUTRE. As y'all know, if you've been following me for a while, you know OUTRE or OUTRE. I hate calling it OUTRE because I've always called it OUTRE. OUTRE is my favorite brand, okay? I am in love with their perfect hairline, their melted hairline, the colors, everything is just, it's just very, very Tanya. So it's my favorite go-to brand for synthetic wigs. So yes, I love a good frontal. I love frontals because you can work with them, you can plug them, you can customize them. Today's unit, before I open her up, this is the unit Fabienne. She is a newer unit by OUTRE. Recently came out. I love that they're putting the inches of how long the wig is now on the boxes, so you'll know. So this is an 18-inch wig in full length from top to bottom, and she's HD lace, transparent lace, 13 by 6 lace frontals. So way more parting space than the traditional 13 by 4 lace frontals. Yeah, fully hand tied lace frontal wig. I got her in the color DRFF2/ginger brown. So let's see what that actually looks like. But this is the beautiful, beautiful color. It's definitely a warm auburn brown shade. It has highlights of more copper in there along with the brown. And it is a DRFF, so it's dark rooted face framing. If you didn't know, DRFF stands for dark root face frame. This is the hairline, and this is what the lace looks like. I'm definitely gonna have to tint the lace. This is what it looks like before I customize the hairline, because y'all know I'm gonna customize the hairline. It does come with its own baby hairs, but I don't use those. I'm gonna push them back, and I'm gonna push these joints back, and then you'll never know. I pull out whatever I need later. Yeah. So now that we've seen this, I mean, I didn't show y'all, but let me show y'all the inside, so what she looks like on the inside. It has the extra strap along with the original or traditional tab straps. Yeah. So I'll be back and y'all see the install and the final results. Okay guys, so I want to show y'all my mistakes, so don't want to hide it. But anyway, this is what the wig looks like after I plucked it. As you can see, the more the lace is showing, but it's supposed to blend into your skin. That way you won't have the issue. But because I used the lace tinting spray instead of my usual foundation, it just does not match my complexion. I thought, like, even after doing it, if I took my foundation and went on top of the lace, it'll be better. And it just did not help the way I thought it would help. But this is how I usually apply my lace front synthetic wigs or any type of lace front wig. I do the ball cap method. My ball cap method messed up that night, and the glue. So this is like a week later. I already washed it and took it off, washed it, removed the glue, and now I'm just going to apply it with some even lace holding spray, because I don't plan on keeping this unit on, but this is how I usually do it. And I'm not really good at the lace. I don't know how some of these YouTubers be making the flawless, but the lace holding spray does not work for me. It's too messy. Even when it's like the got to be, all that's so messy for me. I can't do a reapplication with the lace holding spray, only with glue, or just like putting it on my head and rocking without holding it down or gluing it down on my head in any type of way. But yeah, I did. You will see there was some spots that needed to be sprayed again, and you will see, but I did that off camera. And I did the baby hairs off camera. One of these days, I'm going to do a full install for you guys. I'm sorry. I actually have a couple on my channel already. So y'all can kind of look at that now and get an idea of what I do. Okay. Anyways, toodles. Okay, guys. I'm back like 5 years later. I know. So what happened was, when I went to go install it the first night, there was an issue with the lace. It was just too light, and I'm no longer using spray. It never works for me. The spray tint for lace, it never works for me. So I'll no longer use that. I'm going to stick to my foundation underneath the lace and after I put it on. Anyway, so this is the final results. I did take it off and wash it and then put it back on. This time I only applied her with spray adhesive. I don't generally like spray adhesive because it's really messy, but I don't intend to keep this on. I have another wig that I want to put on, so I'm just putting this on now for the review, or to finish the review. And yeah, so now that I did wear her for like a week, I can really give you the pros and cons. The first pro is that this hair is super soft. It did not tangle. Second pro, that it did not tangle. And I do find that the hair, I guess the hairline, the wig cap, it does stretch, so anybody with a small or large head could fit it. The wig hairline, now that's what I am concerned with. It came down low enough, because I do have a low hairline on the sides, and that's what these swoops are hiding, because it does come down like really low. So it is low hairline friendly. I love that about the extended hairlines. This color is absolutely gorgeous. It kind of reminds me of Havana brown, but not as red. This is the ginger brown color, if you didn't catch it in the beginning. So I really love this color. The only con I could say is that this joint is hot. Oh my god, this is not for the winter months. This is why I'm not wearing her, okay? I did wear her all of last week, but I generally kept her up like this. But yeah, but she's really gorgeous. Definitely, I actually washed this wig. Like, I took her off, washed her, and she came out beautiful. Product washed out, curls still intact. Really gorgeous. You could do like an up style with her. That would be really cute. I'm definitely going to actually pack her away and keep her for the fall weather, because I know a lot of cute outfits I can wear this with. And, you know, by that time it'll be cool enough to wear her and I won't be sweating bullets. So yeah, I'm really actually contemplating getting another one of these, but in like a natural color. I'm in love with this unit. The hair curl pattern, it's really like a messy, curly, natural like wave thing going on. It reminds me of Pretty Woman, that how after she took off the wig, she had like this big beautiful like red curly hair. That's what the curl pattern reminds me of, and I really love it. So this is definitely like a 10 in my book. Definitely run out and grab her. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you've purchased her already down in the comments below, or if you intend to. Bye.